Are you ready to take control of your tasks and streamline your workflow with the Brevo? Well, you are in the right place because we're about to walk you through the sign-up process from start to finish, where we make navigating digital platforms a breeze. So, without further ado, let's begin. Now, Brevo, for those who are new here, is a cloud-based property management software designed to streamline various aspects of property management, including leasing, maintenance, accounting, and resident communication. Now, if you are new in this platform, you might want to click on the sign up for free button in the upper right corner, the green one right here. Click on that. And from here, it's easy to create your first account. No credit card needed. All you're going to do is send your first emails in a few minutes. You can sign up using your Google account, or if you happen to have your Apple account with you, that's going to be convenient because you can simply click on it, or you can put your business or work email here, create your password, and click on the create an account button and just follow the on-screen instructions. Now, once you have done that, you will be directed to a new page wherein you can upgrade your marketing platform. You can choose and customize your plan from 20,000 emails a month right here. You can simply slide that. It's 1 million emails a month and more, right? And again, obviously, they start with a free plan, which in you can have unlimited contacts, everything in free, 300 emails a day. You have an option to get the customizable email templates, drag and drop editor, transactional emails, SMS and WhatsApp campaigns. Of course, you can always scale up to the most popular, which is the business plan. It is simply built for marketing managers and e-commerce pros, right? And again, you can have like 20,000 emails a month. That's only $65 a month with unlimited contacts. When you select this plan, you will get everything in free. In the starter plus, 20,000 emails a month of marketing automation, advanced statistics for you. You can have send time optimization and multi-user access and phone support. All right. But if you wanted to continue with your free plan, you might want to click on this option right here. Now, once you are here, basically, here's a very simplistic and user-friendly interface dashboard because it provides intuitive interface for property managers, leasing agents, and residents, making it simple to navigate and access key functionalities such as email. You have the access to SMS. You have here the email campaigns. And again, when you click on the SMS right here, you can create your first SMS campaign. We have a separate videos on how to create SMS campaigns and email campaigns. You also have the option for WhatsApp integration right here. Now, you can also have the access for the web push. There's a lot that you can do here in Brevo. You can also have an access to the Facebook ads. Now, the thing is, if you wanted to grow your audience, sell, and more with Facebook ads, and if you wanted to check out with Facebook ads, you need to log into your Facebook Manager account with the Unmeta for you to upgrade to the business plan to use your Facebook ads. And from here, you can find new customers and extend your reach because it's two powerful strategies with a single tool. I'm not using the Facebook ads right now in Brevo. I might use that in future, but for now, I'm going to stick with my other plans. But you can also check on the templates right here because it will allow you to customize workflows right here. Forms, templates, and reports to meet the specific property management needs and preferences. Now, this flexibility allows enabled users to tailor Brevo to their unique requirements. And again, you can search for a template here. You can also check for the WhatsApp templates because since it's a cloud-based access, it allows users to access the software from any internet-connected device such as computers, tablets, and smartphones. Now, this accessibility enables remote work and facilitates collaboration among team members. You also have the access to statistics right here, which we will be dive deep in another tutorials. But they also have the integration capabilities because it integrates well with various third-party applications, such as the automated workflow right here. Now, Brevo offers easy automation features to streamline repetitive tasks such as lease renewals, rent collection, maintenance requests, and financial reporting. Now, these automation capabilities can help you save time and improve efficiency for property management. Now, if you wanted to create your first automation, we will do that in a separate video. But for now, let's head over to the transactional, wherein you can also start to activate your transactional SMS. You can send that and track them to see if they have been successfully sent, accepted, and delivered, because you need to configure your SMS API now and start sending your SMS, which we're going to dive deep in a different tutorial. Now, when we head over to the conversation, this is one of the best automation features. And again, I've mentioned earlier, it can streamline repetitive tasks such as lease renewals, conversation capabilities, and a lot more. Now, obviously, this automation can help people save time and improve efficiency for a lot of users and property managements. There's a lot that you can explore here. You can install chat widget, connect a mailbox, Facebook, connect a page, Instagram, and obviously WhatsApp. You have an assigned options here for my conversations and a lot more. Now, when you click on this one so that the property managers can also check the deals lately. Now, Brevo will load that in a minute. And then what will happen would be is, again, you can turn your contacts into customers. You can create custom pipelines, save hours with automation, and never miss a follow-up. We are going to create our first deal once we deep dive into Brevo account. Now, in terms of the meetings in the left side panel of your dashboard, click on that. And there are so many things that you can do with your meetings here. You can boost your influence, creating a campaign, simplify your connections, add contacts, and manage your plan, right? And then when you click on the calls option right here, you can simply make, receive, and manage phone calls directly from desktop and mobile. All you're gonna do is get this number, or you can choose a number. You can even port your own number later. And what will happen is you can connect with customers one-on-one, manage all phone calls in one place, and you can make calls seamlessly and globally. And when you click on the usage and plan, right here. Now, in terms of the pricing structure, which we have discussed earlier, it may be relatively high for some property management businesses, especially for smaller companies or individual landlords with limited budgets. Now, again, pricing may vary depending on the number of units or properties managed. As you can see, again, you can start from free. You can have the starter pack for $25 a month. You can have the business for $65. And if you're interested for the enterprise or large organizations with advanced needs, you might want to get a demo or consult with a sales professional here in Brevo. But the other thing about Brevo is that although it offers an intuitive interface, mastering its full capabilities may require some time and training, especially for new users or businesses transitioning from other property management solutions. Now, while Brevo offers mobile access for SMS and WhatsApp, some users may find the mobile app lacks certain functions or functionalities compared to the desktop version. Now, in terms of the customer support, well, some users have reported issues with Brevo's customer support, including long response times or difficulty resolving technical issues. Improvements in this area could enhance the overall experience. But in my case, though, I talked to one of their representative and they're responsive, so it's gonna be a case-to-case basis, and it could be an isolated case for some, because when I went here, say for example, I have problems with creating and managing my Brevo account. When I click on that, now obviously I will be given a lot more information, but if you wanted to contact them directly, you can simply just go here for support, sales, and a lot more. When you click on the support, you can provide your name, email, and this is where I've done in the past, and provide as much as details as you wanted. Say, for example, you're having a hard time signing up here in Brevo, and they'll be more than glad to assist you when whatever problems you need at the moment. Now, I believe Brevo offers a comprehensive solution for property management with features to streamline various processes and improve efficiency for property managers and residents alike, you and me. However, users should consider factors such as pricing, learning curve, customer support, and feature requirements when evaluating Brevo as a property management solution. Because while Brevo provides reporting and analytics features, some people may find the available options are not as robust or customizable as they would like. Now, enhancement in this area could provide users with more comprehensive insights into property performance and financial metric. But again, I'm very happy with Brevo so far, and I suggest for all those who have doubts using this platform, you might want to click again on the sign up free button and get started with your property management tool. Remember that it is created for property management software. It is designed to streamline a lot of aspects for property management, including leasing, maintenance, accounting, and resident communication. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.